Hey guys, I know it's been a while since my last recordings, but today I figured maybe I will create some content for you. So it's been some slow days now. We're waiting for the carrots to be big enough. So in the meantime I have spent some time around in my yard and finishing up a few of my 1000 projects. So right now I'm actually in the middle of extending my drive yard, and as you can see behind me, if you can see, I've closed up all of the short trench lines that I had in on this future lawn project in front of the workshop that we have. So the road, my driveway, is about 3 to 4 meters wide, and it's a little bit narrow for our big tractors. So I decided I'll extend it, the width of the bucket. So the plan is to dig out some soil here. As you can see, I already started, and then I'll put some heavier stones, and if I manage to turn the digger, I've already got 1 load of gravel, so I've ordered 4 loads of gravel and 1 load with the smaller rocks, which is quite effective to use in trenches. So I got 1 trench behind these trees, which I want to fill up with the small rocks. So it's Thursday, it's 1st of September, I mean. And probably use up today and tomorrow with these 2 projects. So yeah, as in terms of the carrots or all the crops, they are almost ready to harvest. We figured we want to wait maybe 2 weeks more until we get out there and pick it up. And the reason behind our waiting is that our Swedes are failing this year. We are not getting any Swedes at all, so we will lose a lot of money. So our main object now is to get the carrots as big as possible without getting them too big to to increase our yield, because farmers understand if you don't get enough yield you will lose money, and when you lose 10 hectares with hectares with the Swedes, that's a lot of money for us. So that's why we are waiting, and they are a little bit small anyways, the carrots, so there's no rush, but within 14 days I'm probably sure we are out there harvesting with the azaleaves. Alright, so let's get ready to dig up some more soil. Okay, so I'm almost ready to start filling this ditch with the stones. But first I got a idea and or a plan, and that is stay away from the sun. It's to create a park look-alike thing in the middle of this lawn, and maybe have a street light or something. But if I want to have a street light, I need to have electricity over there. So my plan now is to use this black pipe and dig from the corner of this post and under the road and lay this pipe somewhere in that area. But before I put stones here, I want to get that done. So let's dig a trench under the road. Okay, so I got all the stones in place. So now I got about 30 minutes before I need to pick up my boy at preschool to lay some gravel, so I will at least make a start on it and finish up tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 2 now, and as you can see I've managed to, sorry about the sun, to put all the gravel on the side here. So I'm ready to spray it out. Just been out starting up the excavator, as you can see, behind the sun, in front of the sun. So I think I will do the spreading with the excavator first, and then I will hit it with a snow blade and smooth it out properly. But first I want to show you this. The old, I think it's a 1962 or a 64 Massey Ferguson 25 is now running. Yesterday me and my brother changed the ignition, so it has to sparkle a little bit before we can hit the key, but all the lights are working. It even has blinkers. Changed the front headlights, brand new, and it even comes with a trash box on the front, so pretty handy. It needs to sparkle a little bit before we can start it. So I'm not sure what to do with this one. I think it's not worth much. They are not popular in our area because they are weak. They cannot lift anything, and I think I'll maybe rather use it as a four-wheeler or something to get from A to B. I don't know. Let's try and give it a try now. Needs to stay free, of course. Maybe it needs to sparkle a little bit more. All right, let's head into the excavator before all the mosquitoes eat me up. actually the second time I've been doing this since we moved here in 2020. I did it when we bought it, the farm in 19. I extended it at least a meter, and now I've added another meter, so you're close to 4 to 5 meters wide here, and even wider in front of the workshop. So yes, I'm pretty happy now. Okay, so now I will say I'm finished. I just need to smooth out a little bit with the snow blade, and I will call this project done until now. And I actually had to quit for the day because I got a boy in the preschool that is not feeling very well, so I need to pick him up. So unfortunately all of my other plans goes down the toilet, but I will do it someday later. Alright, so that will be it for this video. Next time I'm hoping we'll start to prepare the harvester and service it and fix up a few things. So I believe in the next 2 weeks we'll start to harvest. I think all over the weekend the Romanian boys will start to pick up by hand and open up some fields for us. So harvest is very close. That's why I'm in a rush to get all of my 1,000 projects done, so I can feel a little bit better. So I think I will call this video the developing carrot farmers developing farmyard or carrot farm, I don't know, something like this. And I'm pretty sure I will make a few more videos with developing my yard. It's a big yard and it takes some time and it takes some effort, and at least it takes some money to do all this. So it's a slow process to fix up this farm, but in the end, in 10, 5, 15 years, I don't know, it will be finished and we will be happy with our paradise. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to check out all of my other videos. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and remember to check